Are clothing stores still struggling with slow inventory counting, checkout congestion, disorganized stock, and high shrinkage? A single passive UHF RFID tag gives every garment a unique digital ID, making your products talk. The three most common RFID tag forms for apparel retail: RFID pressure-sensitive label, suitable for shoeboxes, back of traditional hang tags, poly bags, etc. FID, hang tag, suitable for apparel and footwear that need both product information display and digital identification. RFID woven label, suitable for garments requiring high comfort and concealment, typically sewn inside the clothing. Achieve batch receiving and shipping in seconds. Walk around with a handheld RFID reader and complete a full inventory count in just a few minutes, with accuracy over 99.5%. Checkout in seconds, boosting efficiency by 60% to 80%.